the city braces for what could be the largest winter storm in years.
So today is a special episode of Only Foods. New York got hit with a big snowstorm. You meet a new friend of mine. And of course, we eat. So please join me in this special winter storm picnic in Central Park, Only Foods.
Well, it's certainly snowed. First snow of the season, and it's a doozy. As you can see. Also, we're going, when I say we're going to the park, I really mean we now. Because I have a little friend. This is Princess. She came with that name, but I've learned to love it. We're gonna go to the park. I'm gonna show you how you can have a winter picnic in the park. This guy's yelling. Here we go. It is quite snowy. We're gonna get a little bit of something to eat and eat it in the park.
So I got a little ahead of myself because it was still snowing, so I only went 4 blocks north up to Central Park Organic Deli and Grocery on 110th Street.
This looks promising.
They had a lot of delicious looking options, breakfasts and hot plate stuff, desserts, but I decided to go with one of their organic smoothies.
Okay, so the snow has actually stopped now. It's so much nicer. It's actually not even that cold. I'm gonna get her warmed up at home and then head back out. The man working and I had a good laugh about that I ordered this summertime smoothie today of all days. I'm not exactly gonna sit on a park bench right now because it's covered in snow. So this was the obvious choice for my breakfast. Oh, that's really good. And it was $5.95, so $6, and I gave him a $1 tip. We're gonna walk back. I'm gonna dry her off, warm her up, hang out, cozy up for a bit, and then as it warms up, we're gonna head back out and have a lunch. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it in the park. What do you think, baby? Should we take this thing for a ride?
So breakfast was semi-enjoyed in the park. Gonna finish it at home and then head back out. Okay, getting ready for round 2, lunchtime picnic in the park. So as you can see, the sun, it was shining and it was a beautiful mild afternoon. So perfect opportunity to go and enjoy the snow. Look at these kids enjoying the snow. Why can't I? So I did.
So now we're at the top. This is Central Park West. So our breakfast was at the top north, the northeast corner, and we're gonna get the lunch over in the top west corner. It's really beautiful out. People seem to be in a good mood. I don't even though I'm walking around with a camera and a dog strapped to my chest, I don't even think people are looking at me that crazy because everyone's kind of taking photos because it's so pretty, and everyone just needs to enjoy the day before it gets all slushy and disgusting on the streets, which is bound to happen very soon. But for now, the kids are all tobogganing, people are cross-country skiing, walking. It really is a beautiful day. So, okay. Right over here, this deli cafe, we're at 108th and Central Park West. And that little basement cafe deli is where we're gonna get our lunch. We're gonna go to this. I'll try and show you the menu. Hi, are you open? Could you come in if I just hold her here? Yeah? Okay, thank you.
Oh,
Thank you, this is Princess. Okay. These look really good. Can I get just to do a small, the chana masala with a bit of the turmeric rice? Yeah, that looks amazing.
It's too big?
It might be too big. She has tiny pieces, but thank you. I appreciate it.
Oh yeah.
Yummy.
She liked it, yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much. You have a great day. Okay, that was so nice. Oh, look at it outside.
So that lovely spot is called Park West Cafe and Deli, and they have homemade Indo-Asian style foods, and everything there looks delicious.
So a picnic in the snow is maybe not the smartest thing, but you know what? I have seen some benches that people cleared, but instead I took the scenic route through this little forest. No regrets, it's beautiful. I forgot how much I missed that sound of the crunching of the snow. So satisfying. Look, what a perfect place to have my little picnic. Somebody already cleared this little bench, so this is where we're gonna eat. Also, I was just about to sit down on the one cleared bench, and it says sweet puppy. So, my little sweet, I think it's meant to be that we sit here. Okay. I can't even look at this. Like, are you kidding me? Okay. Here is our food. Oh wait, I have to sing something. This is how you do a picnic. A winter picnic in the snow in Central Park. It's really good. I wanted to get something warm, you know, a stew type thing. This looks delicious and tastes delicious. Look at that. I don't know, you probably think I just eat all, if you've watched my other video, you might just think I eat all my meals at delis, but I don't. But honestly, you could get so many kinds of food just going to different delis. Also, it just depends who owns the deli, what type of cuisine they have. This place is great. She was so nice too. I gave you a little treat. So, I've seen lots of dogs running around. I've seen people making snow angels. I've seen people making an actual snowman. Tons of kids sledding. Even adults. Adults. People are just really enjoying the day. Because it's not every day it actually snows like this. I have a treat for you. But it's not this. Now is that kind of prime time. It's sunny, so it's warmed up. Everyone is just taking advantage. Looky! Look at the little snowman! So, I'm now off route because sometimes I just really like stepping through and crunching the snow, making my own path, you know? I could really mess up this perfect scene right here, but I won't. I'll just go this way. Oops, I just realized I forgot to put my mask back on after eating. But right now I'm out in the middle of a field, so if there's one place I can go maskless, it's right here. Serenity now, baby. All right, you're gonna be a rebel. We're gonna hop this little fence. Somebody else pushed it down for us. Success. What do you think of the snow? Well, as you can see, we're all cozy now. I'm making soup. I know that this episode wasn't as food driven as the other ones, but I hope that you enjoyed watching me walk around the park in the snow. Now I'm home. I just made some mulligatawny soup from scratch. I even made the stock myself. And I threw in a little bit of extra chickpeas and rice from lunch that I didn't eat. A little added bonus. Soup is a nice way to end off a snowy day. Well, thank you all for watching. We're definitely in cozy, relaxed mode now. I hope you enjoyed meeting Princess.